Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. But before that, I want you to actually check the channel to watch this video that I just released recently, which is Nasdaq 100 trading strategy. I would also be releasing another video, reason why traders lose money. I'm also going to be releasing another video, so check the channel. By then I would have uploaded it so you can watch it and also check the channel to stay updated. Now let's see what we will be expecting this week on EURUSD. Now before that, we would want to know our trend. We know that market tends to give us three movements. One, either an uptrend move. Then we will be having a series of higher high and higher low. That is an uptrend. Or we have a downtrend, which is series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. That is series of lower low, lower high. That is a downtrend. Or market tends to give us something like this, sideways movements, which we tend to call a range market move. So either that market is trending up, trending down, or ranging. So what market is currently doing on our Euro USD, literally it is trending to the upside. So basically we are on a bullish move. So we are having something like this: impulse move, pullback, impulse move, pullback, impulse move, pullback, impulse move, pullback, impulse move, pullback. Now we are expecting an impulse move which will be giving us a new higher high. So for long-term traders or position traders, will be expecting that bullish move that we push up, then take out our previous higher highs. So we need expect it to take our previous higher highs. So our forecast or our prediction for the week is a bullish move. So for long-term traders, position traders, you should be expecting pulse move. So let's roll down to the daily time frame. The daily time frame is kind of moving a bit different, but this is it. You know, I told you guys that market tends to give us three movements: either an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a ranging market move. As at here, market is literally ranging in this level. So we are having something like this resistance level here. You can see it. Resistance. Then we are also having something like support level. So we having then we have something like this. Come to the resistance, then drop to the support, came to the resistance, drop to the support, came to the resistance, drop to the support, came to the resistance, drop to the support, came to this resistance. So we'll be expecting another movement that will come to the support. So currently market is ranging, so we should range with it. We all know the rules of trading, which is trade what you see and not what you think. So since market is ranging, we should range for it. Though the overall trend, especially for position traders, is still an uptrend move. So if you're a very long-term trader, probably 6 months, 8 months, a year or 2 years, if you want to hold it for a very long time, your forecast will be to the upside. But for day traders, have it in mind that market is ranging within this level. So you should be very, very careful about going further up as at here, because we are currently at this resistance level. So market is currently ranging. Now let's roll down to the 4-hour time frame. So on our 4-hour time frame, still the same thing. As you can see, we are ranging within this level. You can see it, right? When markets came to this our resistance, we had a drop, came to our support. Then markets eventually came back to our resistance. Then the drop came to the support. Markets eventually came to our resistance. Then the drop came to the support. Markets came to this resistance, and now market is bouncing around in this resistance. Probably you should see a little bit of a push up, then drop. So expect a sell. I don't know what you guys are expecting. Expect the sell. I will play out to come to tap support level. But before you hop in on the sell, get your sell confirmation. Like I said, market is still ranging. yes, we would expect markets to drop to the support level. But before you go ahead and take that sell, make sure you get a sell setup. Do not hop in on the sell immediately because there's still possibility that markets will likely push up one more time before it drops. So two level I'm seeing a drop will play. Either we start getting a drop from here, or markets will likely push up a bit to come retest the previous high here, to come retest it before it eventually drops. So be very careful. Only sell when you get sell set up. That's what we'll be expecting next on GBP USD. So for those of you that are yet to watch this video that I've done, which is Nasdaq 100 trading strategy, I want you to check the channel and watch it. And I'll also be going to be dropping another video again titled Why a Lot of Traders Lose Money. I want you to actually watch the video so you learn a lot. And I'll also be dropping more videos on trading USD and GBP. So to do that today. Now let's see what we will be expecting this week on GBP USD. We would want to start with the trend. If you have to zoom it out, you can clearly see that our overall trend is an uptrend move. So we are having something like this: impulse, impulse move, the corrective wave, impulse move, the corrective wave, impulse move. You can see that all these are trending to the upside. Corrective wave, impulse move, a little bit of a pullback, so another impulse move. So this is for the long-term traders, by the way, or we can call them the position traders. Traders that are looking for 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, even a year, right? This forecast is for them, meaning we should be expecting the bullish move the long term. But let's see what market is currently doing. What market is doing now? What market is doing now is that you go to your daily time frame and you see that market is currently ranging on the daily time frame. So let's highlight our key levels. So we can clearly see that market is ranging within this level here. Also, we can see that market is ranging within this level. So what can you see? Market is ranging on the full trend, which is our weekly time frame. We are trading to the upside. But right now, market is ranging on the daily time frame. So we're having something like this. The movement that came to tap our resistance, then dropped to our support, eventually came to this our resistance level, even broke above it. We can call it a false breakout. Then it dropped back to tap our support, came to tap the resistance, drop again to give us a false breakout. You can see that it broke out, it broke below the support level, right? Then it eventually came back to tap our resistance, dropped to our support, came to our resistance level, dropped to the support, came back to the resistance level. So our forecast next is a downward movement. So forecast daily time frame says we will be dropping. Oh, have it in mind that for position traders, overall traders, we would be expecting the movement to the upside. But for day traders, your position is that markets will be selling. So have it in mind that markets will sell, but only sell when you get a confirmation. Do not hop in on the sell. Let's go down to the forward time frame. So we would see what the forward time frame is currently doing. So you can see it right here. You can see it on the forward time frame. Market is ranging within this level. So we are seeing resistance, support, resistance, support, false breakout, support, resistance, false breakout, then resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Now, what next are we expecting? Also, we'll be expecting support level. So expect a sell and soon on GBP USD. So we should only sell once you get your confirmation, and probably the confirmation should come on 1 hour time frame. So only sell. We are currently at the resistance level. So have it in mind that sell on GU is coming very soon. So be very careful. It's what you do on GU. Now let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on USDJPY. On our USDJPY, we would want to know the full trend, by the way. So if you take a look at the We would want to go to the 4-hour time frame to understand the full movement on USDJPY. So on our full trend on USDJPY, we are on an uptrend move. So we are having something like this: impulse move, corrective wave, impulse move, corrective wave, impulse move. This is the corrective wave that dropped. Then impulse move, that's the impulse move took out this previous high, corrective wave, impulse move, corrective wave. Markets eventually push up. It has not taken out this previous high. So basically, we still have the potential of it still pushing up. So right here, market is still pushing up. So we will still be expecting more movements to the upside for the long run. That is for the long run, probably a year trader, position traders. But right now, what market is currently doing, you will go to the daily time frame, you will see that market is ranging. So let's highlight our some key levels. We would highlight some key levels here, which is the support level, and this will be seen as the resistance level. So we clearly can see something like this. Market dropped to the support level, eventually broke above the resistance level, right? Dropped to our support level. With this break above the resistance level, you can consider it to be the first breakout. The market eventually pushed up to tap the resistance, dropped to the support, came to tap the resistance, dropped to the support, came to tap the resistance, dropped to the support. We are now pushing up to the resistance level. So this week, we should be expecting that bullish move on USDJPY until it taps our resistance level. So bullish move is what we should be expecting to the upside to tap this our resistance first. Then I'll give you guys an update next on what we should be expecting. Now let's roll down to the 4-hour time frame so we will understand this movement properly. So we would zoom it out to understand the movement. You clearly can see that we are ranging in this level. Markets dropped again. False breakout into our resistance support level, sorry. Tap our resistance, drop to the support. Tap resistance, drop to the support. Came to our place our resistance, drop to the support. Then it came to this our resistance, right? Markets eventually drop to the support level. So we will be expecting that movement till it tap the resistance level. So above all, our forecast will still be to the upside for the week. We should be expecting market to tap this resistance this week. That is our forecast this week. So if there's going to be any changes to this movement, I'll be giving you guys the updates in the Telegram channel. So make sure you subscribe, follow the Telegram channel. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So stay updated, by the way. A lot of updates is coming. More updates is coming, by the way.